We got 2018 Cadillac xt5 and see how temperature is high. AC is not working. You can hear the fan is cranking like crazy. So we heard the problem can be with the temperature sensor, which we did swap the brand new one, dealer one, and the problem still didn't went away. Alright, so it was fairly easy job. 2 bolts out of the old thermostat. All what you need to remove is just this bolt. Let it stay in the hoses, radiator hoses. See, there is wiggle. You can prime with a big flat screwdriver and wiggle the thermostat out. So what we are going to do, take out of brand new that o-ring, swap the o-ring, put a little bit whatever you want, little oil, a little bit WD-40 on it, and gonna put in new thermostat. Might as well, you could actually swap the sensor. Like I said, this temperature sensor is brand new from the dealer and issue did not went away. So let's swap the thermostat and see if that will fix it. A few minutes later, we got brand new thermostat. We put a bolt in and pretty much put everything back together. Easy peasy.